So to create a new workflow, you have to follow the steps. Say tools, go to workflow designer, go to workflow manager. So for that, what you do is you say tools, go to tools, workflow manager. I repeat, tools, workflow manager. So now you are in the workflow manager workspace. Okay, so basically this is the workflow manager. This is the place where you create the workflow manager. See, this got highlighted. If you want to create a worklet, then you go here. So you can directly go to the worklet designer by clicking on this button, or you can say tools, worklet designer is not here, right? Okay. Tools, either you can say tools, worklet designer. The same way, task developer. So task developer is the one where you create some tasks like reusable sessions. So if you want to create a task, then you have to go to the task developer. You can go to the task developer by clicking on this particular menu. So now you are in the task developer. So this is it's here in the task developer. So you can go to task developer either by clicking on this menu or by saying tools, task developer. Okay. So now I want to create a workflow. So I should go to workflow designer. So to go to workflow designer, I can directly click on this icon, or I can say tools, workflow designer. See, tools, workflow designer. So now I am workflow designer. Okay, so to create a new workflow, all I say is workflow create. I repeat it, to create a new workflow, click on the workflow and say create. So now you got this window. So give your workflow name. Let's say the workflow name is WF_1. Let's say OK. Now every workflow has to be associated to one map, right? So for that, now you have to fetch that map. That means now you have to bring that map here. So for that, what I do is I say tasks create. So basically workflow is associated to sessions, and session in turn is associated to mapping, right? So now I'm going to create a session here. Now here let me name session as S_1. Say create. Now this session is being associated to the map. So I'll associate to the map M_1. Say OK. And done. Now this is the session. This session is pointing to the map M_1. So now I have to link this start task to this session. So for that, what I do is tasks link task. Okay. So to link the start to this session, I say tasks link task. Okay. Now this is the workflow. So in order to arrange it properly, I can say layout arrange horizontal. So now this is arrange horizontally, or I can say layout arrange vertical. So this is the vertical alignment. Usually, as a standard we go for horizontal alignment. So I say arrange horizontal. So now save it. Now we have created a workflow and you saved it to repository.